Are you looking for a smartwatch that perfectly balances premium design with powerful health and fitness features? The Amazfit Balance delivers advanced fitness tracking, 24/7 heart rate, stress, and sleep monitoring, along with smart insights designed to support a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. In this video, we'll quickly explore what the Amazfit Balance offers and how it performs in everyday use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Amazfit Balance, magnetic charging base, and user manual. Want to grab the Amazfit Balance for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. Powered by OpenAI's GPT-4o technology, Zepp Flow fosters a harmonious, flowing bond between you and your smartwatch. Gone are the days of tapping, swiping, or memorizing keywords. Just speak to Zepp Flow naturally, and it'll understand precisely what you want. Tired of charging your devices every night? The Amazfit Balance has the energy to last up to 2 weeks from a full charge. So leave your charger at home next time you're traveling for business or taking a vacation. Charge less and do more. Decorated with an industry-leading anti-glare glass bezel, the enlarged HD AMOLED display is easy to read even under bright sunlight, with crisp colors that keep your data clearly visible in any condition. When it comes to achieving your fitness goals, personalization is the name of the game. Zepp Coach harnesses the power of AI to generate workout plans that are tailored to you. Understand how mentally and physically recharged you are each morning with an intuitive readiness score. Your score is generated based on your sleep-resting heart rate, sleep heart rate variability, breathing quality, and temperature. Don't let mental burdens stop you from unlocking your potential. The Amazfit Balance has a wealth of features to help you calm your mind. Take a breath with exercises designed to help you relax or focus. Center yourself with the meditation feature. Or try your hand at yoga. Specifications. How to charge. Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source and make sure the watch is properly aligned. Charging will start automatically. Once the battery is fully charged, disconnect the charger. How to pair. Download the Zepp app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side buttons on your Amazfit Balance and press and hold the power button until the Amazfit logo appears. Once the watch turns on, allow it to complete the startup process. Open the Zepp app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. When Amazfit Balance appears, tap to connect and confirm the pairing code. Agree to the required terms and wait while the watch syncs and completes setup. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the Zepp app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Amazfit Balance. See you in the next one.